Hello, my name is Reu. I'm going to discuss Prestage or wait above mode command and show you how to write Prestage command on our J series robot with R6000 control system. As you can see on the video, the robot picks up the parts, discharges the parts on the conveyor outside the molding machine, goes back to the home position. The arm moves down a little bit, so the amount tooling can be as close to the top of the mold as possible to save some arm down stroke and save some cycle time for the next. Please boot up your robot, log into user 20 with password 1234, and then run the HP. So now let's talk about the mechanical limit on the Prestage first. So please click F8 monitor, and then please click manual, and then take a look of the 006 arm up sensor. Prestage is allowed only when the sensor is on. So generally speaking, you are talking about Prestage 200 mm all the way to 500 mm, depending. The first step to do Prestage is to modify the parameter, so we are allowed to do Prestage. So please click F2 manual, and then click F5 parameter, and then here parameter is 8000.5. This parameter controls you could or you cannot do the Prestage. So let's change the parameter to be 1, so we are allowed to do the Prestage. Now let's modify save area for Prestage purpose. So please click F4 save area, parameter number 2, and the maximum Z1 save more close. So this distance is how low the arm can go down and still permit more close. So please modify this value to be 10 mm or 20 mm more than your desired and Prestage. Now let's come to the programming part. So please click return, home, and then please click F3 teach, F5 file, and I'm going to pull out a standard program for demo purpose. So I want to pull out Reu2, click it, and then click F3 read, and then click OK, and then let's enlarge the view. So this is a standard program. Basically, mode fully open, arm down, arm forward, vacuum one arm back, arm up, traverse out, flip horizontal, and then arm down, vacuum off, arm up, flip vertical, and traverse back. Now let's write the Prestage step. So narrow the window, go all the way to the top, and we need to write a Prestage step in front of mode fully open to perform Prestage. So click mode fully open, and then click function, and then click servo axis. Let's assume we want to move down to 200 mm. Okay, and then let's delete this step. So now we want to add a mode fully open behind the Prestage. So let's do the add. So now we have Z1 goes to 200 Prestage position and then mode fully open. So now we have finished the